What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a brief comparison among the Zoho CRM and the Freshsales CRM starter pack. So, if you're looking forward for a free plan, they both offer a free plan, but the major differences between them is the quantity of contacts that you can store between both of these. So, for the Freshsales, you get unlimited amount of contacts that you can save, and for the Zoho you can save almost 5,000 connect contacts. But there's a catch because in the fresh sales platform there are automations and all that stuff, but you cannot use it unless you have a paid account. And also there are analytics, and then there are the sales reports and all that stuff that you cannot access it without having a paid plan. So for the Zoho is you cannot use the Zoho AI and all that stuff, but if you are looking for something that has a broader vision and not a beginner, you want to be more oriented towards the Zoho products like Zoho Task, Zoho Email, and all that stuff, and you want to integrate all the engine under one environment. So Zoho is the right CRM to choose with. But if you're just a person who casually wants to start the CRM and build a pipeline, and it doesn't have that much big of a pipeline, so I would recommend using the Fresh Sales because that's a more beginner oriented platform with clean UI UX and better understanding and better explanation of everything, how everything works. So this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you found this pretty helpful. Take care. Bye bye.